Have you ever wondered if you could harness the power of YNAB, the popular budgeting app, without committing to a monthly subscription? Well, let's dive into that question today. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is renowned for its unique approach to personal finance. It's a tool that helps you take control of your money by breaking down your budget into categories and tracking your spending. But does it really require a subscription to work its magic? Unfortunately, no. YNAB is a subscription-based service. This means you'll need to pay a monthly or yearly fee to access its full range of features. Why the subscription model? You might be wondering why YNAB and other similar tools opt for a subscription model instead of a one-time purchase. Well, there are a few reasons. Continuous development. Subscriptions allow developers to allocate resources towards constant updates, bug fixes, and new feature implementations. Customer support. A dedicated support team is crucial for any software. Subscriptions help fund this essential service. Server costs. Running and maintaining servers to host user data and provide real-time access isn't cheap. Exploring free alternatives and workarounds. While YNAB itself isn't free, there are a few strategies you can consider. Free budgeting tools. Google Sheets, a highly customizable option that can be tailored to your specific needs. Microsoft Excel, similar to Google Sheets, Excel offers powerful spreadsheet capabilities. Mint, a free budgeting app with basic features like tracking spending and setting budgets. YNAB's free trial. Before committing to a subscription, you can take advantage of YNAB's free trial to experience its features firsthand. Budgeting basics. Even without a fancy app, you can still implement effective budgeting strategies. The 50/30/20 rule: allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Envelope system: physically divide your cash into envelopes for different categories. The YNAB experience. While free alternatives exist, it's important to acknowledge the unique value proposition of YNAB. Community and support. The YNAB community is incredibly active and supportive, offering advice and encouragement. Intuitive interface. The app is designed to be easy to learn and use. Effective budgeting techniques. YNAB's methodology, particularly the zero-based budgeting approach, can significantly improve your financial habits. While YNAB itself isn't free, there are free alternatives and budgeting strategies that can help you manage your finances. Ultimately, the best tool for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.